Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated Canon EOS R6 Mark III. If you're wondering whether this highly awaited camera will be announced soon or delayed once again, you're not alone. We'll dissect the rumors, delays, and possible features surrounding this intriguing release. Let's explore everything we know so far, including the challenges and opportunities shaping Canon's next move. The history of Canon announcements. Canon's major product announcements historically align with large industry events like CP+. These events often set the stage for unveiling groundbreaking products, creating anticipation among photographers and tech enthusiasts. However, recent delays have shifted this pattern. Global supply chain disruptions, industry-wide challenges, and evolving consumer expectations have made companies, including Canon, rethink their strategies. Competitors like Sony and Nikon face similar hurdles, illustrating how these disruptions are reshaping the entire camera market. Delays and production challenges. Supply chain issues have caused ripple effects across Canon's ecosystem, impacting everything from camera bodies to lenses and accessories. The RF 200 to 800mm lens, for instance, received praise for its performance and affordability. Yet, many customers reported waiting up to 10 months to receive their orders. Even the highly anticipated EOS R5 Mark II faced significant setbacks, with pre-order deliveries delayed well beyond initial timelines. Industry-wide component shortages are exacerbating these issues, forcing Canon to prioritize fulfilling existing demands over introducing new products. According to insiders, the EOS R6 Mark III might follow a similar trend, with a potential release no earlier than March 2025, though Q2 2025 appears more realistic. Expected features of the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. Despite the delays, expectations for the EOS R6 Mark III remain sky-high. While official specifications are still under wraps, credible sources hint at the following advancements. Improved sensor technology, enhanced resolution and better low-light performance. Faster autofocus, leveraging advanced AI for superior subject tracking and accuracy. 4K video enhancements, upgraded frame rates and dynamic range, catering to content creators and filmmakers. Increased burst shooting speeds, ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects, making it perfect for sports and wildlife photography. Enhanced build quality, improved weather resistance and ergonomic design for better usability in challenging conditions. These rumored features align with Canon's strategy to maintain its dominance in the competitive mirrorless market. If the R6 Mark III lives up to these expectations, it could set a new standard in photography and videography. How does the R6 Mark III stack up against competitors? Delays have placed the EOS R6 Mark III in direct competition with upcoming models from Sony, Nikon, and Panasonic. For instance, Sony A7V. Sony's upcoming model boasts advanced autofocus and video capabilities, targeting both photographers and filmmakers. Nikon Z8 and Z9. Nikon's flagship cameras continue to generate buzz with competitive pricing and impressive performance. Panasonic S-Series successor. Panasonic is teasing multiple pre-registered models, hinting at a significant launch that could challenge Canon's market share. Despite fierce competition, Canon's reputation for an extensive lens ecosystem and innovative technology remains a major advantage. The success of the R6 Mark III will hinge on its ability to deliver on these promises without further delays. The RF lens ecosystem and accessories. Canon's RF lens lineup has been a cornerstone of its mirrorless strategy, offering flexibility and high performance for professionals and hobbyists alike. Recent additions, like the RF 24 to 105mm and RF 70 to 200mm, have garnered widespread acclaim. However, persistent supply shortages have left many customers frustrated, waiting months to complete their kits. To address these issues, Canon has been prioritizing firmware updates. Enhancements for models like the EOS R5 and R6 have resolved user complaints, showcasing Canon's commitment to improving functionality. Accessory availability. By focusing on current models, Canon ensures that existing users can continue to rely on their gear without compromise. What to expect in Q1 2025. The first quarter of 2025 promises to be an exciting period for the camera industry. Canon faces stiff competition from Sony's A7V and possibly an A7S4 refresh, catering to video-centric creators. Nikon's Z8 and Z9 remain popular choices, especially with discounts attracting new buyers. Panasonic's S-Series, with teasers hinting at multiple launches to rival Canon. To remain competitive, Canon must address its production bottlenecks and deliver a product that meets or exceeds expectations. The rumored specs of the R6 Mark III suggest it could be a game-changer, but only if it launches on time. Market trends and consumer insights. Global economic uncertainties and shifting consumer demands continue to shape the camera market. Some enthusiasts are holding off on new purchases due to delayed releases, while others are seizing discounts on existing models. Canon's recent pricing strategies reflect its adaptability. For example, the EOS R5 Mark I is now available at $2,799, bundled with a free battery grip. Such offers highlight Canon's efforts to manage inventory while retaining market share. Why the wait may be worth it. If you're considering the EOS R6 Mark III, patience could pay off. Canon has a history of delivering innovative technology that often exceeds expectations. From cutting-edge autofocus to unparalleled image quality, the R6 Mark III is poised to redefine the mirrorless camera segment. Additionally, Canon's robust customer support and extensive accessory ecosystem provide added value for long-term users. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, investing in Canon's latest offerings promises a rewarding experience. Conclusion. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III represents the next chapter in Canon's mirrorless journey. Despite delays, the anticipation surrounding this camera underscores its potential to set new industry benchmarks. As we navigate these uncertain timelines, staying informed is crucial. Thank you for tuning in to Techno Trend Zone. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on the latest tech trends. If you're considering a purchase, check out our affiliate links below to support the channel. Here's to a year filled with exciting innovations and groundbreaking technology.